You can expect a lot from the 2008 BMW 328. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 kilometers. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all four corners. BMW prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, heated seats, rain-sensing wipers, and much more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.